Okay, this is my friend Dan's Chevy Express 2005 all-wheel drive. There aren't very many all-wheel drives apparently, I've heard. And this is one, which is neat. You can stand up inside. I'll show you the inside. I'll just show you around it real quick first. It's pretty nice, look at it. Yeah, here we go. It's neat. It's got a bed that's completely adjustable. You can have it come out for a double bed right here, all the way out, or it can go up and down. And it's got loads of storage underneath the bed. It's got plenty of storage for his kayaks. He can actually store a 14-foot kayak inside, but he doesn't usually use that one. He uses the 12 feet. But let me show you the inside. I'm going to go on in. Okay, so he's got inside of here a little sink. It's really small, I like it. He basically is just a bowl that he cut a hole in right here. See it? And it goes down into a milk jug. So that's where the grey water goes, into a milk jug. And he's got this jug for his water, which is pretty good. I think I might do that in mine. Then he's got these blinds that are built in already in the side. He's got carpet completely throughout the van, keeping it nice and warm. He's got the blinds on this side as well. And then for the front, for the cab part, he has these, he just snaps it up, his curtain, it just snaps in place right there, see? And the front of his van has, this is how it looks. He's got quite a lot of space in here. He's got these cabinets up the top, and he's got this mood lighting up here, see these mood lights? But he's got these cabinets up here to store lots of things, and they're all around, whoa, but they're all around the entire van. So look, here's his food. Let's see what food he has and eat it. He's got Cheez-Its and M&Ms. I'm going to have to steal those later. But like all around here, I don't know if you can see, I didn't put the lights on enough, but all these cabinets and the mood lighting, kind of neat. I like it. And this is the bed. And like I said, he can make that wider and have it bigger if he wants, you know, someone else is staying or whatever. It's kind of nice. And the carpet is nice and warm on your feet when you get out. So let me show you the outside of the van with the door shut so you can see what it looks like. But it's nice. It's a Chevy Express 2005 all-wheel drive. It's a nice van. And this sink situation is something I think I'm going to do in mine. Now this is the outside of the van for you to get a better look of the van. It's pretty nice. I think you would like it, this one. At least you can stand up in it.
Come so far, so fast.